my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, I've been missing from YouTube for a few days because I was not well. Actually, I had went with a horrible accident and I had to go through an operation, but right now I am all fine and I'm alright, and that is the reason why I am filming the video. So basically today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the EUPHORBIA box for the month of September. So here is my EUPHORBIA box. By the way guys, if you don't know about the price of the box, then it comes for just rupees 309 per month. You don't have to pay anything extra for shipping, and it has products which are worth much more than what you're paying for the box. Also guys, if you want more details on the box, then make sure you guys go and check out my description box. I've also mentioned the link of EUPHORBIA box down in my description box. So now let's quickly open the box and see what are the products inside. So I've actually taken off the tape, and once you open the box, here is the pouch inside. And guys, this month's pouch is so cute. Just look at it. It has owl all over. The contrast of blue and pink is something I really love, and I really love owls as well. So I find this month's bag to be really cute. I think it's a really cute travel pouch. The quality of the pouch is also quite great. So let's open the pouch and see where's the card inside. So here is this month's card. So it says, "You are gold baby, solid gold." That is what it says on the card. So this is also the price card, by the way. So the first product in this month's box is from the brand Magic Dust, and it's a gold face pack which is worth rupees 990. So it's quite a costly product. So it basically says that this is a fresh and natural product, and it has 50 grams of product in it. Also guys, it has been manufactured on August 2018, and it has a shelf life of 24 months. So you are actually getting 2 years to use up the product, and this is a current product. So let me just quickly open the seal and everything, and let me just take out a little bit of it and see the texture. So I've just taken a little bit of this on the back of my hand, so it just feels very creamy, and it kind of has a very mild talc-like smell. Like, the smell is not at all bothering. So let's see what it basically does. So what it basically does is that it tightens the skin, rejuvenates your skin, it revitalizes your skin and refreshes your skin and makes you look younger. So I'm definitely looking forward to try this, and especially with the festive month coming up, I think it's a great product to include in the box. The next product in the box is from the brand Half and Half, and it's a lip and cheek color blush stick which is worth rupees 399. So guys, for this particular product you are going to get 3 color options to choose from. So I basically went for the shade 04 Desert Rose, which is a muted pink, and this product can be used both as a lipstick or as a cheek stain, so you can use it in both the ways. And basically guys, the packaging looks really good. Like, it comes in a cardboard box like this, and once you take out the stick, this is how the stick looks. It's like a small stout chubby stick. So now let me just swatch this and show you the pigmentation. So I'm going to swatch it over here. So this is just one swipe of the product, and you can see that it's quite pigmented and the color is really pretty. So I'm going to take a little bit of this over here, and let's see how it blends out. Since we are going to use this as a blush stick, we must see how it blends out and whether at all it's blending or not, whether it's patchy or not. So you can see how quickly that has blended out. So once you blend it out, it kind of shears down, and I think this sort of pink is perfect for applying on your cheeks because it is not too much, but at the same time it just gives you a hint of color on your skin, which I think is going to look really healthy and nice. One major problem with blush sticks are that sometimes they are very tacky and they are very sticky, but for this is not at all sticky. So once you apply it, it's not at all sticky. Like, after applying, if you're blending it out, not at all sticky, which is again great. Next product that we have received is from the brand Monsubs, and it's a Skin Beauty Collagen Lip Mask which is worth rupees 200. So guys, basically I've seen a lot of Instagram videos and all that where they actually use this kind of of lip masks, and I always wanted to try one of these, so definitely looking forward to try this. So let's see if it claims anything, because I can't read any claim, but all I know is that collagen is something which tightens your skin and plumps up your skin. So I believe that this is going to help in plumping up your lips and making them soft. So definitely looking forward to try this. The last product in this month's box is a golden oxidized jhumka, which is worth rupees 245. And guys, this is the earring, and oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty. Just look at it. It's beautiful, perfect to go with any of your Indian attire, and especially with Durga Puja, Navratri, Diwali coming up. I think it's a great product to include in the box. It's beautiful. It's huge and it looks quite heavy, but it's not at all heavy. It's very lightweight, and I think this is going to be absolutely comfortable to wear. So guys, I have put them on and I've zoomed in a little bit so that you guys can see how they look. I think they look gorgeous. So I'm definitely loving the earrings, and I can't really wait to style these with a sari or maybe an anarkali or something, because I think it's gonna look really gorgeous. So guys, with that, my unboxing comes to an end. Now coming to my overall thoughts on the box. So my overall thoughts on the box is that I think this month's box is great, and if you ask me what are my favorite products in this month's box, then it has to be the pouch, because I think the pouch is really cute. Like, it's a really cute travel pouch. The quality is also quite great. Also guys, I really loved the blush stick, because for this particular product you are getting 3 color options, and I think this blends out really nice. It's not sticky, it's not patchy, so definitely this is a product which you can use up. Also guys, I'm in love with the earrings. I think the earrings are really pretty, and it's different, it's not the same thing, it's something different. So I'm really loving these products. So guys, overall, would I recommend the box to you guys? Of course I will, because I think for rupees 309 you're getting 4 really good products. So guys, with that, this video comes to an end. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give it a like. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.